Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create an account on Badoo app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, simply go ahead, first open up your Badoo app on your phone, and now you can see how to identify female. Choose that and you can start adding your name, or if you are not, or you can simply start by choosing any of the other options. I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to add my name afterwards. Tap on continue again. Continue, allow. What is your preference? Your month. Tap on continue again. Email address. Tap on continue again. So you can see for me my email has already been used. It's showing me directly sign in option. You're gonna enter another email, then you're gonna tap on next, then you simply have to provide your interest and your gender preference at whom you would like to date further. And once you have added those details, including your other hobbies, which you can simply skip, and afterwards you can go ahead, go to your profile, and go to edit section, and from over there as well you will be able to edit out by simply providing the information as it asks. You will be able to create your account, and that is it. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.